Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thanks for joining me again as we're in Encinitas, California, just above San Diego. Of course, LA's way up the top there, well, a little bit further up the coast. And we're looking at this amazing home that Ryan Serhant and Ennis has reviewed recently in their shows. And this is 4-bed, 6-bathroom, won lots of awards, was on HBO's reality show as well, so it's been around a little bit. Let's take a look at it. Beautiful coastal position. What a position that is. Crystal clear waters. It's fantastic. But look at this design here. Architecturally, it is way out of the scale of most properties. Look at that. Almost Star Trek fan environment. But then this very traditional, well, I think it's quite traditional hedge. You might not think it is with this shape, but actually that's pretty traditional. Old England style, all shaped and nice. And then we go to this amazing satellite view of this incredible shaped home. And cement and, of course, concrete of cement is massive in the design. And that's that modern architectural style. Coming in, hedges left and right. Beautiful big driveway there and quite a welcoming committee it is. 6,329 square feet and quite a beautiful home. Look at this. But you've got to love concrete. You've got to love cement. You certainly do. And we come on and we see this big lounging outdoor area here with a fire pit in the distance. Views of the Pacific Ocean. Fantastic. And it certainly is beautiful. Lovely water feature here and pool with water running off the edges. Very, very nice indeed. 2015, this featured in a big way in architectural magazines and so forth. There's the beautiful fire pit. We see the downstairs outdoor flow looking out over the Pacific Ocean. Then upstairs here on this landing, what a beautiful balcony with tiling and floor-to-ceiling glass, almost pillarless and very nice indeed. A bit of copper used around the place too, so very nice as we go through. And you see the light hitting those windows, making it look so good. And of course, the coastal environment joins in here along this incredible setup of foundational works and so forth to make this place work and to make sure this doesn't end up down in the ocean. And that certainly would be very, very important in this property. There we see that pool again. It's almost like a moon shape, and we see all of this incredible exterior, different materials, metals, concretes, and more as we head around. Lots of beautiful lighting here too. LED lights used very well. We see this open entrance here for the daylight. Very nice indeed. And of course, it looks like a putting green down here. California struggling with water shortages. So artificial grass, really important and valuable in the respect of keeping things green. We see bedrooms here. Oh yes, full visuals there. Glass, floor to ceiling, all the way through. It's almost like a bit of a bunker, but it has that architectural design which makes it pop and stand out. There's the fire pit, classic indeed, and just incredible. And then upstairs looking great with the high ceilings and more, and great use of materials. There's that cliff view down to the Pacific Ocean, looking so good. Good use of palms here, and a beautiful outdoor flow for sure. Price reduced recently, down $3 million to $20 million. And then amazing floating stairs heading up on this spine here. What a great looking bit of steel that is. And then, of course, all these columns here on the left with glass intermingled between. Wow, look at that. That says it all. What an amazing design in this incredibly funky home in this amazing location. Wow. San Diego, not too far away, down the road. And then we see an indoor fireplace, almost like a fire pit outside. That big hedge comes to the front. It's pretty impressive. It's a unique taste, though, for a person who would like this design, like this style. And, of course, it has a cool look to it. And there we see timber finishes and more as we head around this incredible home. But what sells it is the positioning. And that's always the way for real estate, particularly in this level. Great wash basin and walk-in bathroom area here as well. And then the bedroom looking out, master bedroom looking out over that extraordinary view. And that is the money. There's the money talking. Indeed it is. High ceilings and more, and it's Cement City. And that's got to be a taste that you are into. And many people are. And so that ticks all the boxes for that architectural design style. Lots of natural light coming into the bathroom here, big cabinetry and surfaces as well. That downstairs bedroom, big door opening up into the outdoor area, and just a fantastic place. A good canvas here because you can add your colors and make it special for you, and you have the backdrop of the grand Pacific Ocean, and you are in prime Californian real estate. There it is. What a popper. I'm Jason Kelo with the Property Review Show. Please subscribe. Thank you. We appreciate your support, comment, and we'd love to have you join our channel and watch us all the way through on each property. Looking at properties here and around the world each week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.